Hello, my name is Lily, and today I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook profile pic without notifying anyone. So let's get started right away. First of all, let's go ahead and open up our Facebook app over here. And then let's go to my profile right here. Whenever you change your profile picture, something Facebook will do is immediately post it, just so everybody can react to it and comment on it. However, I'm simply going to walk you through how to bypass that. Now let's update the profile picture. Let's go ahead and tap this camera icon at the bottom right of my profile picture. Now let's just click on Select Profile Picture. These are just your images. You can select any one of them. I'll simply pick this one. You can edit this to make it anything you want and add a frame and stuff. And so here at the bottom, you want to untick Share Your Update to News Feed and then hit Save. So, practically now, no one can find out that you just updated your profile picture. Nobody will be notified that you changed your profile picture. But your profile picture will be changed. If you have any questions about all this, please leave them in the comments section below. If not, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And as always, thanks for watching.